to whoever need to hear this shit. When you become quote unquote successful, when you get on your motherfucking feet, before you give anybody anything, make sure you got some meat. Make sure you got bread. Make sure you got shelter and clothes and transportation. I know you black, but nigga, take care of your motherfucking self first. It's not possible. It happens every time. You can't keep giving your money to people that's not doing nothing with the money. They just gonna ask for more money and you ain't gonna have no more money. And they are going to disappear because you ain't got no motherfucking money. But you gave all your money to them. Save it. Do something with it. Oh, Lord.